This is Tejasvi.
This is Anusha and we are at Clair Lake Park.
Yeah, this park is just a few minutes walk from our home.
Yeah.
And we decided to get out of our home. Anyways, we are so bored in our home today.
Yeah, true.
Instead of picking an old movie or like sitting with Netflix, we thought like why not get
Explore
out?
nature today.
Yeah, we thought like today is the time for nature because the temperatures are very nice.
Yeah, we checked the weather report and it showed to be sunny and cloudy as well. So we thought this place would be the best for this weather.
Yeah.
You can just look around the place once.
Yeah, look at the place once. Did you see that? If you can see that there like some ducks out there.
Yeah, there as well.
Yeah. You will see more along with this
us.
video.
Yeah. We are going to explore because we also don't know what is there in the place.
Yeah, this is our first time here. So you must watch this video without skipping at all. So let's get started with the video and follow us with our journey today.
Yes, you will enjoy.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Photo sessions at this place. This is really Instagrammable. Yeah, nobody wants to miss this place without clicking photographs. Thanks, Lokesh. Oh yeah. Sure. Hey, wow. Look at it. It's nice, no? Hey, this is very nice place. Thinking to capture a duck in my camera, so I'm very silent. Let us see if we can see. park. It's a long trail. So we are walking through the woods. Don't know what. Oh god, look at that. That's crazy. I'm excited, Anusha.
Me too.
What an adventurous afternoon. I hope I'm not lost here. Danger, keep out. Is this okay?
Slope may be unstable in this area.
Okay, you have to walk. Which way, Anusha? There are two ways. Which way to go? You have any idea?
No.
Is this place haunted?
I don't know.
Hey, no. Come on, follow me. It's I think we should take left. Come on, follow me.
The road not taken.
Come on. Ah. Wow. This is a kind of... Are you scared?
We are at the dead end.
Yeah. Maybe we should take the other route. Okay. Here we are at the dead end. We'll take another route and get to the park.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Follow us. Okay, done with the
Park, and the park is so beautiful.
Yeah, we loved it very much and we had a great time here.
Hope
So,
you enjoyed our video.
if you like it,
Like, share, subscribe to our channel.
and also comment down below what is the best part you liked in this park and let us know. Bye bye. See you next time.
Bye.